So let's talk about money. When you go shopping, do you prefer to pay for things in cash or by credit card?
I prefer to pay for things by credit card because it's less of a hassle to count on the changes and the money that I have.
Okay. Do you ever save money to buy special things?
Yes, I do save money to buy special things. Sometimes I save money for the occasion of someone else's birthday, so I need to buy presents for them and I need savings for that.
Okay. Did you think a lot about money when you were a child?
No, I didn't used to think a lot about money when I was a child since we were always in a stable financial condition and my parents always took care of me, so I didn't have to think about money that much.
Okay. Would you ever take a job which had low pay?
I would not take a job that would have a low pay because I would work hard and put all my effort into a job and I would not settle for a job that would pay me less.
Okay. So would winning a lot of money make a big difference to your life?
Yes, absolutely. Winning a lot of money or earning a lot of money would definitely make a very huge difference in my life.
How?
Well, I would use the money to buy the things that I would like, all, while also buying things for my loved ones.
Okay. Thank you.